Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be checking out the Govee Portable Smart Table Lamp. I did receive this product to review, but any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product, you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. You can see the nice retail box and packaging right here. Go ahead, check it out. We can learn more about this light and some of its key features right on the side right here. This does feature music mode and it works with the Govee Home app for iOS and Android devices. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and look at the contents. Here are all the package contents. First up, we got our user guide and manual. The model number is H6055. Walking us through safety instructions, what's included, how to install and set up the device, and pair it with the Govee Home app. They also have their customer service and warranty information right here. And you can see on the backside, we have our troubleshooting information and our official statements depending on your country. Next, you can see we have a customer service and support card that got a little bent in the box. But again, customer service information right there for you. QR code for the Govee Home app for iOS and Android devices. Next, you can see we have our white wall power supply right here. Check that out with our barrel connector. And it's not a 90-degree angle, but it's close, got a slight bend to it. And then you can see we have the portable lamp right here with the Govee logo and branding. Really just looks like a bowl. So check that out, looks really cool. You can see one button on the bottom right there. You can see where we can connect our power plug into, which is why we need that slight bend and angle. And then you can see it from the top right here. So it does sit in on itself, and we have a nice little clear lip around the edges. Decent weight to it as well. So far, so good. Now let's go ahead, let's plug it in and try it out. So you can see we got the lamp plugged in and powered on. We also have the Govee app downloaded on our mobile device. Once you open up the app, you'll be at this screen where we need to add a new device. So go ahead, select the big yellow plus icon. Now we need to choose our light. So select our category. In this case, it's indoor lighting. And now we're going to find it from this list. So there's multiple options depending on the version that you have. In this case, we have the H6055. So select that one. And now you can see it's scanning for Bluetooth to connect to our device. And it already found it right away. So we can select that and now it's going to work on connecting to it. So here we go, the device is pairing. Please short press the on-off button. All right. We gave it a short press and there we go. Everything is set up. Now we can choose to name the device if we want and then select done. And now it's connecting to it so we can see all of our device settings. And here we go. It just updated for us. You can see now we have an update for the device itself. So let's go ahead, let's upgrade it now. Here we go, select upgrade, and now it's going to take a couple of minutes for it to finish. So the firmware update took less than a minute. Now you can see we're back into the app where we can look at all the different settings and controls that we have. So first up, let's start in the top right-hand corner. We have the settings gear icon. We can select that. You can see we can view our device name, firmware version, hardware version, product model number, and we can delete the device. Then we can come back out. You can see next up we have our power button right there to turn it on and off. And then we have a ton of different effects options right here. So you can see everything that we can control. So while we still have the lights on, let's go ahead, let's select timer. And you can see we can schedule this light to come on and off at certain times. So we can just choose one, on or off, which time do we want? So 24 hours, which days of the week do we want it to come on or off at that time? We also have a wake up and a sleep option as well if you want to wake up to this light or go to sleep with it. So for wake up mode, once activated, the light will gradually brighten to a set percentage. And for sleep mode, once activated, the light will gradually darken within 15 minutes until it turns off. And you can set the initial brightness. And then here's the same options we have for the wake up time and the final brightness level and duration. We can set the duration from 10 minutes all the way up to 60 minutes. And now for everything else, let's go ahead, let's turn off the studio lights and check it out. So with all the studio lights off, you can see how bright this light is, and it does a great job diffusing the light out of the bowl. Really cool. So first up, we have our effects lab right here. So you can see we can browse by basic colors, ingredients, so many different options from food to natural sceneries to emotions to seasons, so many different things for inspiration. Check that out. It never ends. So a lot of effects we can choose. Next, we have our brightness. So we can just use this slider to adjust the brightness. That's 1%. Looks really cool. Here's 40, 72, and up to 100. Then you can see we have a DIY mode right here. So we can actually set our own options. So if we had a DIY, we could set the shortcut right there. But basically, we can create our own effect, and then we can share it within the app to earn points if we want. Let's go back out of here. Next up, you can see we have our scenes. So many different scenes. Let's start with natural, and we'll go through them. We'll go through pretty quickly. A lot of different scene options here. You can really find something depending on your mood and what you're after. Oh, that's bright, but that's cool. Mimics lightning. Here's universe. All right, bonfire. Oh, that's really cool. Does look like moonlight. Nice night light. I mean, they have so many different options for you. If you've used any other Govee products, they're very similar with the scenes that they have. Here's our aurora. We have a sunset glow. And here's forest. And you can see, look at all the life scenes we have. All right. Proceed with caution. If you have epilepsy, turn away. All right. So just like a police siren, then we have dance party. Then just regular party. Here's fireworks. Oh, that's cool. Here's a reading scene. Disco. Working light. Sports. And if you're gaming. Then you can see we have festivals. So depending on the holiday, you can set the mood right here. Get in the holiday spirit. A couple of them for Halloween. We got Halloween and Ghost. And then don't forget, we have our emotional scenes as well. That is a nice warm light. Romantic. Radiant. Energetic. Really cool looking scenes. Nice sleep, quiet mode. And we're having some breathing right here. Just nice breath transition. And then here's a heartbeat. That's a quick look at all the different scenes we have. Next up, you can see we have our color settings right here. So we can just choose our quick colors. They all look really nice. Very vibrant, bright, and rich. And you can see we can manually drag and change colors as we see fit. Let's go back here, and then you can see we can also adjust the whites in the color temperature. We can browse from the color wheel if we want. Choose a color. And you can see we can choose from the color wheel based on our mood and emotions. And we also have some nice color palettes we can choose from for additional inspiration. We can save colors, and you can see our save colors by default right there. Tons of color options. And last but not least, let's go ahead, let's check out music mode. So in music mode, you may notice while I'm talking, the light is responding and listening just like if it was listening to music. So obviously if I wasn't talking and we were playing music, it would be doing the same thing to the rhythm of our song. First thing we can choose is if we want to sync up music mode to the device's microphone or our mobile device's microphone. And then you can see we can adjust the sensitivity right here. We have a couple different options for that. Then we have a dynamic versus a calm option. So you can see just from me talking, look at the difference between the two. So dynamic's going to be rapid, more frequent. Calm's going to be true to its name. It's a lot calmer. And then we have auto color, or we could choose colors ourselves. Let's leave it to auto color. Now let's go ahead, let's play some music. So the song we're gonna be listening to today is Bahama Breeze by Music Chef. First up, we're gonna play it with calm mode on, and then I'll adjust it to dynamic. Now we're going to switch to dynamic. Back to calm. Music mode is really cool and it works great. Don't forget, this is a portable light, so you can see we're not connected to anything right now. It's working great. This has a built-in 3,350 milliamp hour battery. That'll last around 4 hours depending on how you're using the light, how bright it is, what effects you're using, that sort of thing. But really a cool light, highly portable and very bright. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat, check out our website, and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget, new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.